Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to crop by shape on your image. You can crop an image like a circle shape or hardened shape like that. You can crop the image by shape on your WPS presentation by using these simple options on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to shape crop the image in WPS presentation is just going to show. So I'm just going to add a slide here. So I'm just going to insert an image. So going to the insert option, I'm just going to insert image from my mobile phone. So after inserting the image, I just need to make this image should be a shape crop. So click on the crop option, and now you will see an option called shape crop on the top. You can see the crop option, or just click on this section, icon section, and you will see pictures, and here the crop, click on the crop, and you will see an option called pop-up called shape crop. Click on the shape crop option. Now you just have a square or round rectangle, so you can see the how it's look like. And around, you just need to have a circle or 14 or freestyle, which means you can just draw anything like this, and it will make a crop like that. You can want to see and click on the save option, which will you can see now the crop look like the freestyle shape I just created. So you can just make a text here and it look like this. So this is how you just create a shape crop option on your or shape crop on your image on the WPS presentation mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.